Yes guys, I'm back with another snack to taste out. This one's coming from Tesco this time. It's a really nice snack. Watch and
Got a new
see.
snack. They're called Plantastics. They're flapjacks. They're made with ginger and apricot, and I've had these already, but I want to try them with you guys right now, so you can see my reaction to what I thought of them. Not my jacket, not my coating. Looks good, right? So in the box, you get 3 of these ones. These are the flapjacks. So they come individually wrapped in 3. These contain, they're made from oats, and they have ginger, apricot, and chia. And you guys know I like my chia. So I thought, let me try these out. So that's the look of the flapjacks. So what I'm saying, flapjacks, but yeah, I guess that's what they look like. Unfortunately, my lighting's not that great today. So yeah, they're quite nice. But that's the consistency of the flapjack. I can actually make this myself. You don't actually taste much of the very sweet. Other than that, they are very sweet. You don't taste the apricot. It's more of a ginger and really, very sweet. Will have so much sugar in it, and these will give you a sugar rush, but that's what they look like. Goes nice with a cup of tea. Oi, cup of tea, mate. Yeah, you make him. What? Really nice. For flapjacks. Plantastics. As far as I know, they're only in Tesco's, UK only. They would be nice with the ice cream. Very nice with the ice cream. But yeah, you can get to your local Tesco's if you're from the UK. Give them a try. I think they're £2.50, and if you've got a credit card, they're £1.50. I think they're £1.50. I'll have to ask Mister, because he's the one that got them for me. Snack of the day.
So if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.